Hi guys, so today we're gonna show you what is it into a laptop battery, exactly a DELL battery. So I will open this. I tried already a little bit earlier, I didn't really succeeded that well. I'm still struggling to open this. Okay, so it's gonna happen soon. Okay, so it seems like, oops, so just be careful if you try that. So you see when they say 6 cells, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries, and here are all the electrical components, and yeah, this is what happens. So basically, it would be for you to change these batteries, because they're literally just batteries, you see. So they die after some years, after like charging them so many times, they just die. So let me see if I can. Okay, so this is basically the circuit naked without the plastic. So you can see the batteries are all connected, and let's open this to see even better. Yeah, just connectors. The little electronics. Cool, right? Okay. Oh, it's even written Samsung on them, and was for a DELL computer, as you can see here, where it's DELL. Seems like Samsung manufactures these batteries for them. Okay, have a great day, and now you just satisfied your curiosity with what's into a laptop battery pack. Take care.